Alright everyone, now that we've got a solid understanding of what information technology is, let's talk about one of its most essential tools, the computer. A computer is at the heart of how we process, store, and manage information in IT. Simply put, without computers, IT would not exist. A computer is essentially a machine that follows a set of instructions, programs, to carry out tasks automatically. It's designed to perform logical operations, process data, and execute tasks with incredible speed and precision. Here's another way to define it. A computer is an electronic device that takes in information, processes it, stores it, and gives you the result, that is, the output. For example, let's say the input is you typing a word on a keyboard. Now, the computer interprets or processes what you type. It then saves the document to your hard drive or storage, and you can see your documents on the screen or print it out as an output. Why computers are essential? For me, a computer is more than a machine. It's a tool that connects us to the world. It moves information from one person to another or from one location to another, often through networks like the internet. Computers are also the backbone of our daily lives, whether personal or professional. In personal use, it includes watching videos, gaming, browsing, or even chatting. And under professional, running applications like Microsoft Word, Excel, or even complex design and programming softwares, among many other users. The importance of applications. Ask yourself, what do you expect when you turn on your computer? It boots up, loads the operating system, and opens applications. These applications are the real reason we use computers. Without apps, computers would just be fancy calculators. It's these programs that make life easier, automate tasks, and enable us to do more in less time. In short, we need computers because they process data efficiently, automate repetitive tasks, enable communication and collaboration, run applications that simplify life, among many other uses. Computers are the ultimate tools for innovation, productivity, and connectivity. And that's why they are an essential part of our world today. That's it for now. In next video, we are gonna see the zeros and ones concept in computers.